Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
What is Japanese oil? Motor oils, OM, from these companies are not only supplied to engine assembly, but also to retailers. It should be noted here that in the Japanese market millimeter are sold at service stations combined with gas stations. The latter have their brand names: ENEOS, JX Nippon Oil and AMP, Energy Corporation, 4 other companies, Idemitsu and Cosmo. In addition, lubricant products can be bought in automobile supermarkets, service stations, and in small retail trade. Japanese motor oil is not supplied directly to the Russian market. And yet, there are Japanese oils in retail and at dealers. Idemitsu and ENEOS lubricant brands are the most popular among Japanese car owners. They get into Russia with the help of individual entrepreneurs, i.e. and Japanese quality cannot always be expected. For example, Idemitsu Zepro oil is usually of Japanese manufacture. ENEOS, for example, is bottled in the Korean city of Busan, Mikang plant, which may not be so bad. Most other products from Japanese have only the name and address of the head office. Japanese original engine oils, or OEM oils, are also on sale. Examples include Toyota Motor Oil, Mitsubishi Diaqueen, Honda Ultra Limited, Nissan Motor Oil and some others. Cosmo Motor Oil is practically never found in Russia, so the product you encounter is most likely a fake. ENEOS, New Energy E, Energy, ENEOS, New in Greek. This name was given to the brand of the United Corporation JX Nippon Oil and AMP, Energy Corporation. This oil is mineral, which confirms the commitment of the Japanese to this type of oil base. In the homeland, ENEOS is used for primary filling on cars Nissan, Honda, Mitsubishi. For foreign markets, including Russia, the oil is bottled in South Korea. Despite this, you should not be frightened by this fact. Additives delivered from the island are added to the local base oil, and the result of localization is quite a decent product. It should be emphasized that the composition of additives is slightly different from the Japanese version of the lubricant. This is done in order to adjust the consumer qualities to poorer operating conditions than in Japan: dust, bad roads, low temperatures. Korean ENEOS can be used for cars without fear. But the absence of any indication on the container about the Korean origin of the grease just gives an opportunity to doubt its pedigree. Because the Japanese branches of Nippon and AMP, Energy do not manufacture products for export. So, most likely, this product is imported to the Russian mainland by some Vasya Pupkin. One can only guess about the origin of such oil. Idemitsu is a classic of the genre. This product is used not only for refueling at assembly lines of most Japanese car companies, but also for annual lubricant replacement. Idemitsu Kuzen Company Limited is one of the world's top 10 manufacturers of lubricants. Many cars assembled in the land of the rising sun run on this oil. If you come across oil Idemitsu Zepro Racing 5W40 in a metal 4-liter canister, costing about 3,300 rubles, there is a chance that this lubricant is made really in Japan. As for the plastic container of the same capacity, containing, as the label promises, the leading lubricant from Japan, variant. Made according to the Japanese formula, fully synthetic motor oil Idemitsu Extreme Eco for 1,500 wooden, there are some doubts. First, its base is a mineral base, although the manufacturing process is based on hydrocracking. Secondly, why such a difference? At best, this lubricant is bottled somewhere in Korea. Miteisu, a technological masterpiece or sleight of hand? There has been a certain company producing Japanese oil no. 1 inch for 7 years already. In March 2010, an unknown firm from Hong Kong Milligram Trading Limited, like a frog, turned into a red maiden, Mitsui Oil Corporation, the leader of Japanese oil producers. The stated goals of the newly minted corporation: creation of high-quality lubricants on the basis of scientific research, their manufacture and distribution. Company representatives claim that their products are made using mobile base oil additive packages from companies such as Infineum, Afton, and Lubrizol. And research centers are working on innovative formulas to create new automotive oils. However, persistent buyers drew attention to some inconsistencies. For example, the territorial affiliation, Japan, is indicated twice on the metal container, but judging by the barcode, it will be Malaysia, and according to the customs base, Singapore. It is quite possible that this product is bottled on the territory of the Russian Federation. True, about a quarter of those involved in the evaluation believe that there is more harm from it than good. So decide for yourself, as they say. Your proposal is vile, but interesting. Other pseudo-Japanese oils: on what directions are subdivided ostensibly Japanese oils, which in fact are not such, pure counterfeit. The tin container is copied, the name of a well-known brand is almost subtly distorted, and all sorts of automakers' tolerances are specified. The most unpleasant thing when ordering online is when the real factory part number is indicated. Thankfully, the product inside is of more or less average quality. Nevertheless, such actions may qualify as a violation of the Articles of the Civil Code of the Russian Federation. Licensed products: as mentioned above, motor oils from Japan are not supplied to Russia. Nevertheless, these products are present on the Russian market. This becomes possible due to mutual interest of Far Eastern Russian IPS and South Korean producers of lubricating oils. Japanese motor oils. Japanese motor oils. In conclusion, the landscape of Japanese engine oils bottled in Russia reveals a fascinating interplay of quality, innovation, and local adaptation. As we explored, leading manufacturers have successfully maintained the integrity of their formulations while catering to the specific needs of the Russian market. Brands such as Toyota, Nissan, and Honda stand out not only for their reputation but also for their commitment to delivering high-performance lubricants. Understanding the nuances behind these products helps consumers make informed choices, ensuring their vehicles operate smoothly in diverse conditions. As the demand for reliable motor oils continues to grow, the collaboration between Japanese expertise and Russian production capabilities will likely shape the future of automotive lubrication in the region. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the world of Japanese engine oils in Russia.